Hello, in this video, I am going to be showing you how to log on to Zoom for our Zoom meetings on every Tuesday and Thursday. So from my teacher page on Clever, you can click on the Zoom app here. And when you click join, there's going to be a spot for you to enter in our meeting code. That can be found on our schedule here. Here's our meeting ID. If it asks for a password, our password is just class 1D, no caps. So again, the meeting code is posted here. You can type that in, as well as our password if it does ask you for a password. This meeting ID and password will be the same for all of our Zoom meetings for the rest of the school year. If you have further questions, please feel free to reach me on Remind through text, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you.